So in this lecture, we'll see the third problem, that is h of t is equal to e raised to minus 4 mod of t. Okay, so here more this is a very important problem. Just I'll make a star mark here because in most of the exam they have asked this problem, that is h of t is equal to e raised to minus 4 into mod t, or they may ask like this also, or they may ask for e raised to minus 2 mod of t. Okay, mod of t, either e raised to minus 4 into mod of t or e raised to minus 2 into mod of t. Okay, so remember this mod of t here. Mod of t means nothing but positive value, positive t, positive t, and negative negative t. Okay, we have to take positive t and negative t here. Remember this, we have to take what? Positive t and negative t in this case. Fine. So I will sketch the graph for this h of t, that is impulse response. So if I take it here, if I take it here first. Okay, so if I take h of t here, if I take h of t is equal to, I will write like this, e raised to minus, if I write it here, it is to minus 4 into t, that is positive value. This is for t greater than 0, and e raised to t when t is less than 0. Okay, it is like this. So the equation is like this form. Okay, the equation is in this form, this one. Okay, remember this. Now if you see, so we have to put the values, so greater than equal to 0. Okay, greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 0. So if I look at this, if I put that is here, so if I put in this, okay, so if I put 0, so e raised to 0 is what? 1. Here it is what? 1. Then you have to go on putting the value of t, that is t is equal to 1, that is 0 we have to put, then 1 we have to put, then 2 we have to put, and so on up to plus infinity. So at 0 it will be at 1, then 0 it will go on decreasing. Similarly here for this, that e raised to 4t, in this case first you put what? T is equal to 0, then you put minus 1, then you put minus 2, then you put minus 3. Okay, so you have to put some positive values and some negative values. You will get a sketch of like this. You'll get a sketch like this. Okay, so remember this is very important. Okay, so mod of t is nothing but what? The positive value of t and negative value of t. Okay, so remember that. So we'll write, so we'll see the first property, that is the stable, whether the system is stable or no, given h of t is equal to e raised to minus 4 mod tau. So replace t by, so what is the what we have to do the first step. So replace t by tau in h of t. So we get h of tau is equal to e raised to minus, h of tau is equal to e raised to minus 4 mod tau. So according to the formula of stability, it is minus into plus infinity integration from minus into plus infinity mod of h of tau into d tau less than infinity. So so put the value of h of tau here. So so integration from minus into plus infinity mod of h of mod of e raised to minus 4 into mod tau into d tau less than infinity. So we can see it here. So we can see for this value, look at this. So integration, how to take the integration here. So we have to start it from left to right. So this is one signal is present here. Okay, so minus infinity to what? 0. Similarly from here to this part, so it is what? So from minus infinity to 0, one signal, that is e raised to 4t, and from 0 to, plus infinity for the other signal here. Okay, remember that. So there are two equations now. Fine, there are two equations. So from minus infinity to plus infinity, from minus infinity to plus 0, that is, what is the value of this? h e raised to 4 tau into d tau plus 0 to plus infinity e raised to minus 4 tau into d tau, that is less than infinity. Okay, because there are two signals present from minus infinity to plus 0, and from 0 to plus infinity we have another signal, that is e raised to minus 4 tau and e raised to plus 4 tau for this side. Okay, so put the limits, integrate this and simplify the further, so we'll get the value as 1 by 4, 1 by plus 1 by 4, which is less than infinity, then 1 by 2, after simplification we'll get as 1 by 2. So this is what a finite value, so which is less than infinity, then we can say that system is stable. Okay, then what about causal? So we can say that, we can see from this graph there is a signal present on the left side, on the left side of the graph, so we can say that system is a non-causal system. Since so then, so what is the statement we have to write for causal? Since h of t is not equal to 0 for t is less than 0, this system is a non-causal system. Why it is non-causal system? Because there is a signal present on the left side of because there is a signal present on the left side of the graph, which is less than, when t is less than 0, there is 0%. So we can say that h of t is not equal to 0 for t is less than 0, system is non-causal system. Then about memoryless, so since h of t is not equal to 0, then we can say that for the condition when t is not equal to 0, system is having a memory, or we can say system is a memory system. Okay, memory system, because it is, so we can see that h of t is not equal to 0 for t not equal to 0. We can see that h of t is not equal to 0 for t not equal to 0, then the system is a memory system. Okay, so remember this, so this is very important. So mod t is nothing but plus t and negative t we have to put. So we get two parts, e raised to minus 4t and e raised to plus 4t. Okay, so we'll get a sketch like this. So we'll stop it here and we'll continue the next examples in the next class.